Today we are going to start a new chapter of class 10, chapter number 9, some applications of trigonometry. In the previous chapter you have studied about trigonometric ratios. In this chapter you will be studying about some ways in which trigonometry is used in the life around you. As we have said in chapter 8, trigonometry was invented because its need arose in astronomy. It's used to calculate distance from the Earth to the planets and stars. Trigonometry is also used in geography and in navigation. Okay, so first, before starting this chapter, we have to understand some definitions. Okay, so mainly we have to understand three definitions. Okay, so first one is line of sight. Second is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. And third one is angle of depression. Angle of depression. Okay, so first we have to start line of sight. Line of sight. The line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. Suppose observer are here on the object
on the ground
above the horizontal line. Okay, so in this case this observer to the point, okay, viewed by the observer, means this line, it is known as line of the sight. Suppose observer is on the top, okay, and object is below the horizontal line, then in this case it is known as line of sight. Is it clear? So next, second, angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means, suppose observer is here and object on the horizontal line is the object, then suppose we have to draw line of sight. Okay, so the angle of elevation of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line when it's above the horizontal level. Okay, that is the case when we raise our head to look at the object. Okay, we are going to see object. Okay, see, so it is known as angle of elevation. Okay, now next, third one is angle of depression. It means, suppose observer is on the top and object is below the horizontal line. So here object. Okay, again we have to draw a line of sight is the horizontal line. Okay, in this case the angle of depression of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line when it is below the horizontal level. Okay, that is the case when we lower our the head to look at the object. Okay, so it is known as angle of depression. Is it clear? So thank you.